Hello, my name is Hiranyan Tyagi from Group 493. Now I'll be explaining about the application or procedure of um, carrying out the ECG. Um, Firstly, I want to briefly explain what it is. That is, ECG, electrocardiogram, is a representation of the electrical activity of the heart that is captured by electrodes and uh, transcribed onto the graph paper as ECG leads, and also the ECG leads. And the equipment used are electrodes and leads. Electrodes are the physical conductive pads attached to the patient's chest and the limbs for detection of the direction of depolarization vectors. As we have studied in the physiology section of it, leads are the graphical representation of the electrical activity flowing through those electrodes of the depolarization vectors of heart. There are 6 precordial leads, that is V1 to V6, placed around the coastal region, and it captures the activity of the heart in horizontal plane. And there are 6 limb leads that are 1, 2, 3, AVL, AVF, AVR, capturing the electrical activity of heart in vertical plane. Input from 3 of the limb electrodes is combined to form the 6 limb leads. The 4th electrode is neutral. Then about the placement of it, that is the most important part, and the reading of it. Firstly, I'll be explaining the placement of the electrodes on the body. That is 4 limb electrodes that are on the left arm, left leg, right leg, and the one that is placed on the right leg is neutral electrode. 6 chest electrodes, V1, V2, V3, V4, V5 and V6. We need to calculate the 4th intercostal space on the right parasternal region. The V1 is placed there. On V2, that is on the 4th intercostal space on the left parasternal region. V3 is midway between V2 and V4. I'll be explaining about the V4 right now. V4 is on the 5th intercostal space, that on the left mid-clavicular line. On the 5th intercostal space, it is placed there. And V3 is placed between V2 and V4, that is between the 4th intercostal space on the left parasternal region and on the 5th intercostal space on the mid-clavicular line. V5, that is the also placed on the 5th intercostal space, left on the left anterior axillary line. V6 is placed on the is also on the 5th intercostal space, but on the left mid axillary line. I'll be explaining about the anatomical relationships of the leads. That is, limb leads are for the first one is for the limb ventricle and the lateral wall. Second and third limb leads are for the inferior surface of the heart. AVL is for the left ventricle and the high part of the lateral wall. AVR for the right heart and the basal septum. Precordial leads, that are V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, 6, are for the V1 and V2 for the ventricular septum and right ventricle, and V3 and V4 for anterior wall of the left ventricle, V5 and V6 for the lateral wall of the left ventricle and apex of heart. Then I just told you about the anatomical relations, the leads, where they need to be placed, And then there is ECG paper of how these leads are produced in the graphical representation. That is done by the cardiologist, and that understands the graphical representation of the electrical activity of the heart.